Hi there and welcome to the course. This course is all about pronouncing English. Conversational pronunciation of English. It's not a course on how to learn the English language. This is for people who can already speak English but have trouble with pronunciation. Now, as you can hear from my voice is clear and clean, and I tend to speak slowly, especially in this course, so that you can understand what's going on. So it's very common in the UK and European languages to finish the word with something, but it's very common in Asia to not finish the word. So if you want to speak English like an English person, you need to finish the word. So little. We are going to be learning phrases like, what's your phone number? What do you think? What do you think? So even in a phrase like, what do you think? There's quite a lot to learn. What? How do we say the word what? How do we say do you think? How do we say think? How do we say th in English? Very hard to do, isn't it? It's a crazy language. Think. Sticking your tongue out between your teeth. Crazy. So we're going to be learning by looking at what the mouth does, what the tongue does, what the teeth do, what the lips do, and what's happening inside the mouth. This is how we're going to learn. I will give you the words written down in English as well, but the main thing is watching my face move. Move. V. And when we come to a tricky bit like move, v, how do you say v? V. Very tricky to do. So we're going to try and look into all of those things, and I will explain how it all works. And at the end of this course, you will be speaking much more clearly. Much more clearly. Your English will be much more clear. My name's Ben Hewlett, and I've been a teacher for over 20 years, mostly in music, as you know from my profile. But I've been traveling a lot in Asia, and I've been doing workshops in Vietnam about speaking clear English. So I've decided to do a few courses on Udemy just for people who want to learn that. So come on in, have a look. If you don't like it, get your money back. 30 days, guarantee money back. No questions asked. I'll see you inside. Bye for now.